joga tudo no, tudo no joga e joga.
So this is the timeline of my edit, and I'm gonna show you how to make this kind of shake effect. The only thing you need is shake and wide angle effect. First, add a shake effect at the ending of your transition and adjust. Add one keyframe at the start and adjust like this. Add another keyframe and adjust like this. Now add one more shake, but this one should be smaller than the first one. Add one keyframe at the start and adjust. Add another keyframe at the end and adjust. Now copy this second shake and paste it to the ending part of all the clips. Now for the main shake effect, add shake and give one keyframe at the start and adjust like this. Add another keyframe at the end and adjust like this. Now add another shake effect, give keyframe at the start and adjust. Add a keyframe at the end and adjust like this. Now add one more shake, give keyframe and adjust. Add another keyframe and adjust like this. Now select this 3 and copy and paste one time. Now copy this whole shake effect and paste to all the clips. Now for wide angle effect, copy my settings. Copy and paste this effect 3 times. I forgot to tell you about the graph in shake effect. Apply cubic out graph for all this shake. Take a screenshot or note it down on your book so that you won't forget or miss out anything. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial like this.